Hi, my name is Dan Hickel, and I am your son or daughter's physics teacher this semester. This video is designed just to give you a little bit of information about the class in case you're not able to make it to parent night. Obviously, this is physics, and my name is Dan Hickel. A little bit about me: I was born and raised in St. Paul, Minnesota, so a lot colder than here. Came over here about 4 years ago and been teaching ever since. I have a Bachelor of Science in Chemistry and Physics Education. I have my Master of Education in Secondary Sciences, and I've been teaching for about 6 years. This is my third at Maryland. I've taught courses such as physics, chemistry, biology, astronomy, you name it, I've probably taught it. The essential question for this class is, how can I use physics to make the 21st century world a better place? So we're going to be taking a lot of concepts from physics and applying them to situations today. So something that you probably haven't seen too much of before is having physics as a freshman rather than as a senior. The reason why Maryland does this is because physics really is the most basic science. Physics is the science where you can see gravity, you can look at acceleration, you can look at speed and distance. Whereas in chemistry, you're looking at molecules or ions. With biology, you're looking at cells and DNA, things that you can't necessarily see with your eyes. With physics, we can. The course will focus on conceptual topics rather than intense calculations, which the students usually like. It's a project-based curriculum, so you'll see in the syllabus that we have a number of different long-scale projects to give the kids a chance to work with something a little more in-depth. And most projects and activities are reflected on real-world applications. Here is the semester at a glance. This is also in the syllabus that your son or daughter will be taking home. It just breaks down all the topics that we're going to be talking about, like Newton's laws of motion, momentum, energy, waves and sound, and then all the way over here talks about all the projects that we're going to do. So we're going to do things like looking at measurements, building a mousetrap racer, building a roller coaster, which is usually my favorite one, and then ending with a final exhibition to kind of wrap everything up. The grading scale is pretty standard. Homework and quizzes is a solid 15%. Participation is at 5%. We are going to be having a lot of class discussions, things like that, to bring out more of a conversation among the students. Unit tests are going to be 30%, projects and activities another 30%, and then the final exam and final exhibition together will make about 20%. Just a little bit more about our projects. We have the mousetrap racers to talk about linear motion and Newton's laws, the roller coasters to discuss energy and momentum, how is energy transformed from potential to kinetic, that kind of fun stuff. Tennis ball launchers, laser maze to discuss light and waves, and then the final exhibition, the students can pick something that they're really passionate about, something that we have touched on in class that they want to take a little bit further. So the final exhibition really is all about that. Here are just some pictures from past classes that we've done. Here is a project where we made racers to talk about different types of momentums. There we are throwing dodgeballs. Here we're throwing dodgeballs off the ledge to calculate gravity, building tennis ball launchers to discuss projectile motion. Here's an example of a roller coaster that some students built. And here's another example. This roller coaster actually won the grand prize, so let's see if your kids can do the same. This is a picture of a pizza party we had right before a big test or something. I like to have study sessions where they can come in, work on some extra credit projects, and order a pizza, so we usually have a good time with that. If you do need me, before, after school is probably best. I'll be right here in room 107. My phone number, 952-7283, that's also on the syllabus that your child has. My email address is pretty standard, daniel.hickel@marinellschool.org. And then I do have an Edmodo page where I post all the slideshows, homework assignments, updates, news, things like that. It's just edmodo.com/Dan Hickel. That website is also on the syllabus. And then you do need a passcode, RIQ4KE. That is also on the syllabus, so you don't need to try to remember it. Otherwise, that's all I have for you. I'm really excited to work with your child over the next semester, and I think they're going to get a lot out of it. Thank you.